Let me take this opportunity to appreciate you for coming for this press briefing on a very short notice. I know we've just told you that we may be making a brief this morning. As the regional security team and government, we want to make this brief that this morning we have arrested Pastor Ezekiel Odero of the New Prayer Center and Church at Mavueni in Kilifi County on allegations of the deaths that have been occurring at his premises and reported in various mosques or institutions. We've also closed down the prayer center going forward. So we are urging and giving information to the public that that prayer center has been closed down, and whoever was in there has been cleared out. He is being brought to Mombasa, and I will request that as time goes by, we will be giving you updates